In this video, we discuss the solutions of the linear equation in two variables. The equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1 are coefficients of x, y and constant for the first equation. A2, B2, C2 are coefficients of x, y and constant for the second equation. And the solutions of the equations are x, y. Okay. Graphical representation of a linear equation in two variables are given linear equations in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. Okay, now we see the possibilities. The two lines will intersect at one point, so the graphical representation will be like this. So it has only one solution. This is the algebraic representation, algebraic interpretation. Okay, the two lines will not intersect, they are parallel. This is the second case. In the graphical representation will be shown like this, so it does not have solution. This is the algebraic interpretation. If the two lines will be coincident, this is the third possibility, and the graphical representation will be shown like this. Its algebraic interpretation is it has infinitely solution. Now we see the summary of solutions of pair of linear equations. Okay. Now we put the tabular column with these headings. Now the first pair of linear equations are given. Here we take the coefficients of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. All the values are not equal, so the graphical representation should be intersecting the line. We know that if the graphical representation is intersecting the line, we have only the one solution. This is the algebraic representation. Next we see another pair of linear equation. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4, that can be simplified into 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, can be simplified into 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 9 by minus 18, can be simplified into 1 by 2. Now the values are, that is ratios are equal, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If we have the values like this, the ratios are like this, no need to draw the graph. We can predict the graph should be coincident line. If we have the values like this, we may have infinitely many solutions. Next we see another pair of linear equation. Now we get the value of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Okay, here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So the graphical representation should be parallel lines. Algebraic interpretation will be no solution. Okay. So from the values, from the pair of linear equation, we can get using this ratio values, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 values, we can predict the graphical representation and algebraic interpretation. So that is a pair of linear equation which has no solution is called an inconsistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equation in two variables which has solution is called consistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equation which has infinite solution is called coincident. In this case, the equation have infinitely many solutions. Okay.